in Shreveport, has issued a tornado warning for Caldwell Parish. This includes the city of Columbia, northwestern LaSalle Parish, east central Wynn Parish, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado about 3 miles southwest of Ulla, or 20 miles east of Winfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Clarks and Grayson. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell and Wynn. Here is the weather outlook for the next few hours. Tornado watch in effect.